i-control yung energies mag-calm down ng konti. Yan, mabalikan natin yung yung pag-uusap ng experiences. Ang hirap paniwalaan, 'di ba, Ed, for lalo na kay Evelyn, na hindi pa talaga naniniwala, 'di ba? Pero unang kita kay Evelyn, oo nga, sensitive. She's a sensitive. Yun sa term namin sa paranormal. May mga taong lahat naman tayo may third eye. Lahat naman tayo may intuition. So, she's one of the sensitives na medyo malakas-lakas ang at any given time, pwede mag-channel na message, pwede makakita, yan yung mga sensitives, no? Ikaw ba, Evelyn, hindi ka ibang nararamdaman mo kapag talaga may entity malapit sa iyo? Aside from yung nangyari nung a month ago na yan, meron ka bang nararamdaman na gano'n?
Example, if I would plan to go to a place or somebody wants me to go or I'm invited, I will feel discomfort. That means there is not a good happening that will happen there. So I should avoid it, and I should try to feel na it means that I shouldn't go, because if I will go, I will know what will happen, or it will be a dismay to me. Yeah.
So yung mga ganung mga bagay na yun yung mga pinakikinggan mo ang iyong intuition?
Yes.
Ayun. Ano pa ang nararamdaman mo? Halimbawa, pag may na-meet ka isang tao, ano yung nafe-feel mo sa taong yun?
If I close my eyes, I can feel if it's the energy or it's not really good. The vibration is not good. And if I open my eyes, I can read his face, her face. If what she is and what people think, because just look at the pictures, I can write in the paper what I think about this person.
Sensitive.
And most of it, it's true. Even though I haven't met them, but I just see the pictures.
Impressions. It's a psychic vibration.
And also the dreams. Some of my dreams come true.
Okay. Ikaw ba, wala ka bang naging dream or premonition ng water rising up?
Before tsunami, I told Ed, my dream was that everything was upside down, and I see people rushing in the houses, the water are raging and this and that. Sabi niya, we'll see. Wala lang. Then when I was in the party 2 o'clock, nag-text siya sa akin na sabi niya, nag-tsunami sa Japan. Yun.
Ayan. Ikaw ba walang nararamdaman na hindi maganda para sa Pilipinas?
Me? I'm just scared. I'm just scared. Because if I'm scared, I do not like to talk.
Ayun, Pero you see water or the earth moving?
I think there will be an earthquake.
Okay. Yeah. So, pero yan ang mga bagay na yan, kaya naman natin yan use the power of the mind, di ba?
Yes, it
with
is.
Prayer also, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. Naniniwala ka naman sa ganon.
Well, you can, as I said, if you pray and you raise your intentions,
correct,
then you can mitigate or completely eliminate.
If you are plenty.
The more the merrier.
The more the merrier. Actually, alam mo, marami, sa totoo lang, Evelyn tsaka Ed, may mga tao, kung kailan may calamity, sasabihin, Mr. sasamahan ka namin sa pag-meditate. Mayroon pa dyan iba na, Diyos ko, magdadasal pa ng todo-todo, nakadipa pa yan. Alam mo, matapos yung aming March 12, ewan ko lang sa inyo, pero as far as we're concerned, whether hindi kami nanunumbat, pero ginagawa namin ang lahat para lang ma-mitigate ang mga ito. Ayan, oo. Ito sabi niya, hi, good AM, nice listening to you guys. Si John Krebs, I think UFOs are for real. Just watch the whole Ancient Alien series and it has a lot of information that if you open up your mind and will make you say that there is indeed a higher being, can be God or somebody else more power. Salamat, John Krebs. Sabi niya si Brian Paul Miranda, Nibiru is a golden planet based on Sumerian scriptures. If an earthling visited it, pagbalik niya sa earth, he will glow as if he has a bright aura around him. This could explain our depictions about God, Jesus, Mama Mary, etc. They all have this glowing aura. Even Moses, after he came down from Mount Sinai, his face was glowing. The Bible also says the heaven is filled with gold. So parang ini-insinuate mo, Brian, that Nibiru is parang the heaven. Diba? Oo. Yan yung ano mo. Pero, balik tayo doon sa ano parting words mo, Evelyn? Since ikaw rin ay isang sensitive, anong pwede mong sabihin sa lahat na nakikinig? Para naman sila magkaroon naman ng hope and then
I think people should start being prayerful. You have happiness or you have sadness, you pray to Him every day. Don't take things seriously because that is what life is. It's full of anything and unexpected. So to be strong, you have to pray and you just have faith in God. That's it.
Pero if you have faith, di ba, nothing is impossible.
It is.
Ikaw naman, Ed. Naku, alam mo, pasalamat ako at kahit paano na-share mo ang iyong would you like to invite them to be...
Yes, I'd like to invite you to visit our Facebook group, the UFO Society of the Philippines, and I also have my own Facebook group which is called UFO 2012 and Awaken.
Meron. It is, masayang talakayan doon. Basta stick within the topic lang daw. Sabi ni Ed. Oo. Add nyo lang, account mo sa Facebook.
Ed Neri.
Ayun, Ed Neri.
Ed Neri, yes.
Hanapin nyo lang si Ed Neri. Sa mga nanonood, eto si Ed Neri, malalaman nyo yan. So maraming salamat sa pag-enlighten din, no? Siguro, sa future, yung mga ating magagaling na mga kabataan, mga bata pa sila.
True.
Minsan imbitahan natin, the young ones.
Ako
na-amaze ako, nung makita ko, sabi ko, ito yung knowledge na matagal na rin pero bata ang nagsasalita. Marami doon sa grupo na yan. Minsan, iimbitahan natin sila dito para magsalita naman sila kung anong kanilang nakikinita, anong nararamdaman para sa pagbabago nating lahat. Maraming salamat muli, Evelyn and Ed.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you too for having us here.
Yes, it was a good sharing. Ito po si Stargazer na pansamantalang nagpapaalam. Para sa susunod si Miss Norma Marco ng Private Nights. Lagi yung tandaan, kapag natapa, matutong bumangon at mag-move on. Ang ating Facebook account, AskStargazer@yahoo.com. I-add nyo lang po. Sa mga hindi nakatanong po ngayong araw na to, doon po kayo mag-PM sa akin. I will answer on air po. At ang cut-off po natin ng mga sasagutin ko every Wednesday po. Kaya ngayon pa lang magpumila na po kayo, hindi yung kung kailan